Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove or renew your filters on your Rowenta Compact Power Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner. First step, unlock the dust compartment, and under it you can see the first filter. There it is. You can unlock the filter at the right side, then pull it out. There it is. This is the engine filter. Underneath, there is another step of filterness. If this is dirty, maybe you blow it out a little bit. This is enough. Now let's install a new one. Push it back in position at the right direction, and then push it back in position. You can use water to wash up this filter, but after you did it with water, you have to leave the filter for about 2 days on top of your on a hot area and wait until it is full dry. Because if you reassemble it before it's dry, there will come some smelly gas outside. So next step, this is the main filter. Open the dust compartment as seen before, and then you can see under there is another filter. This is the HEPA filter, and this HEPA filter you are going to clean with water. Only fresh water. Then this filter is fresh again. To extract it, remove it only from the top side, and you can see there it is. This filter you can clean, I think, after a half year or a quarter year. That is enough. Then clean it under fresh flowing water, and then let it dry on a hot or on a warm, not hot area, on a warm area. And this is important that the filter is really sorry about this, dry out first, then reassemble it by pushing it back in position, or you can renew this filter too. If you pushed it back in position, the rubber sealed everything, and then you can close the dust compartment again and have a checkup. Good job. But there's anything we have to do first before reassembling. We have to get back the cyclonic or the cyclonic vacuum unit back in the dust compartment, because this little thing will make the cyclonic vacuum cleaner to a cyclonic vacuum cleaner, of course. Good job. Slide it back in position. Good job. That is nice. And then close the cover, the filter cover. Then reassemble the dust compartment back to your vacuum cleaner. Check before you reassemble it that you have assembled everything. That's easy, isn't it? But again, let's see it. See it nearly. There is a little hole, and there is a bolt. This you can connect together and then slide the dust compartment back in position until it locks. And locked. Job's done. Now you have everything done and can start the vacuum cleaner again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.